G'day everyone, welcome to Western Ssangyong and LDV. Today I've got a 2016 Ssangyong Actyon Workmate, or Action Workmate, in a beautiful grey colour. This is a 5-speed manual, 2-wheel drive with rear canopy, roof rails and front nudge bar. Factory alloy wheels, good tyres. Get down here, take a look at this. There's good tread on those tyres. It's really straight down both sides. Has a tow bar. Here we go, the Actyon Sport, or Actyon Sports. Are we able to open the canopy? Have a look inside. Ooh. Look at that. You could fit a couple of dogs in there. Some fairly good condition. Now this vehicle is a 2.3 litre petrol generating 110 kilowatts of raw power. The fuel consumption of this vehicle is 12.7 litres per 100 k's as stated by the manufacturer, and it will tow 750 kgs unbraked and 1.8 tonnes braked. Sorry if the camera's a bit wobbly, but look at that. I mean, it's done 120,000 k's, but look at the condition of this vehicle. It's just been so well looked after. Again, roof rails, tow bar, nudge bar. This looks like an absolute gem of a car. Now, inside, we have leather interior. Again, if I hadn't stated it before, it's a 5-speed manual model. We have Bluetooth control functions on the right hand side of the steering wheel, stereo controls on the left, little ding ding bell. It starts, runs and drives beautifully. Everything turns off as it should. It's got a good clutch, little bit of wear on the steering wheel. As you can see, well, I don't know if you can, but it's done 120,738 k's as of today's date. The dash control functions, AC, and it has been checked over by the mechanics and been given a clean bill of health. We haven't actually finished preparing this car for sale yet, so it's still a little bit dirty inside. We will make it a little bit tidier. It's just a little bit of a mark down there on the side of the driver's seat, as you'd expect. But gee, for a car that's sort of just come on the yard that we haven't cleaned, this is how it was handed over by the previous owner. I mean, it's going to come up really tidy once we give it a good clean. The price on this is $21,990 for a 2016 Ssangyong Actyon Workmate, they call it. The 2-wheel drive, 5-speed manual, 2.3 litre petrol. That is in absolutely stunning condition. Looks really nice in the dark grey colour, and it's just got so much extra gear on it. Roof rails, tow bar, nudge bar, factory alloy wheels, good rubber, no scratches, no dings, no dents, leather interior. What more do you need? If you're interested in this vehicle, come on down and see us at Ssangyong, Western Ssangyong and LDV, based near Henderson, out west in Auckland. And don't forget, if you're anywhere in the country and you like this car, we can get it to you. Just give us a call and we'll tell you how. We're here making everything easier for you. I hope this online description helps, or this video description helps. It really is a very, very stunning vehicle. Give us a call today. Look forward to hearing from you.